If you're a vlogger or are planning on being one in 2025, your gear isn't just equipment, it's the foundation of how you tell your story. The right setup can make the difference between a good video and one that captures attention, emotion, and atmosphere. Modern vlogging demands a careful balance between image quality, audio clarity, portability, and editing efficiency, all while staying within a reasonable budget. In this video, we'll explore the ideal vlogging setup for 2025, a couple of the best cameras, microphones, and stabilization tools that creators rely on today. You'll learn not just what to buy, but why each choice matters, how each piece works together to create a seamless, professional workflow. Whether you're recording from home, traveling the world, or filming quick updates on the go. Just a reminder to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already done so. It helps out my channel and is greatly appreciated. Okay, let's continue. When it comes to cameras, vloggers need a mix of power and practicality. Two standout models this year perfectly capture that balance. It's the Panasonic Lumix GH7 and the Sony ZV-1. The Lumix GH7 is a powerhouse designed for serious creators. With 4K recording at 120 frames per second, RAW and ProRes support, and in-body image stabilization. It weighs approximately 720 grams and is designed to deliver cinematic results, even in fast-paced environments. The camera's unlimited recording time and superb autofocus make it a reliable choice for longer sessions, interviews, or complex shooting days. At around $2,000 for the body, it's not the cheapest option, but for advanced vloggers who want a professional edge, it's worth every dollar. On the other hand, the Sony ZV-1 continues to be a favorite for vloggers who value simplicity and portability. Compact enough to fit in a pocket and weighing just under 300 grams, it captures sharp 4K video and has a fully articulating touchscreen that makes solo shooting effortless. Its lightning-fast autofocus and intuitive design mean you can pull it out, hit record, and trust it to do the job right every time. At about $749 for the kit, it's ideal for beginners or travel vloggers who want quality without complexity. Both cameras support external microphones and fast data transfer for smooth editing workflows. The choice ultimately depends on your vlogging style. If you're building cinematic stories or detailed visuals, the Lumix GH7 delivers the power you need. But if you're constantly moving, filming on the street, or want a lighter, more spontaneous setup, the Sony ZV-1 fits like a glove. A beautiful image is meaningless if your audience can't clearly hear you. Sound defines connection. It's what keeps viewers engaged and makes your voice feel personal and present. In 2025, a few microphones stand out as the go-to tools for vloggers who take their audio seriously. The Shure MV7 combines professional versatility with a user-friendly design. Compatible with both USB and XLR connections, it works seamlessly with laptops, cameras, and audio interfaces. Its built-in noise cancellation filters out unwanted background sounds, making it ideal for home studios or desk-based vlogs. At around $250, it delivers that deep, broadcast-style tone that instantly sounds professional. For creators who love filming outdoors or on the move, the Sennheiser XSW-D wireless lavalier is a perfect companion. This compact wireless system operates on a reliable 2.4 GHz frequency and runs for about 5 hours per charge. It's simple to set up, clips discreetly onto clothing, and frees you from cables, and is ideal for interviews, walking vlogs, or travel content. Priced around $299, it brings professional-grade mobility to everyday creators. If you prefer a simpler indoor setup, the Rode NT USB remains a favorite. It's a plug-and-play microphone that produces clear, natural sound for voiceovers or sit-down recordings. The included pop filter helps reduce harsh sounds from speech, and its real-time monitoring lets you hear exactly how you sound as you record. At $169, it's a solid choice for vloggers who want reliable quality without complicated gear. Together, these microphones cover nearly every situation, from studio recording, mobile storytelling, or live commentary. And with just a few accessories, such as a foam pop filter or a windscreen, you can elevate your sound from decent to broadcast ready. Sometimes, small details make the biggest difference. A simple windscreen or pop filter can turn a harsh recording into something warm and polished. The Rode WS9 Deluxe windshield is particularly useful for vloggers who shoot outside. It helps block wind noise, and it keeps your audio clean and natural even in breezy conditions. For indoor creators, a foam pop filter, which can cost as little as $10, can make your voice smoother by reducing popping sounds from words like power or broadcast. It's easy to overlook these accessories, but they're a worthwhile investment. They keep your sound consistent and your editing process smoother, which saves time and frustration later. A great camera and microphone are essential, but stable footage is what ties it all together. Whether you're shooting handheld, walking through a city, or filming from your living room, your camera needs a solid foundation. The DJI RS3 Mini is a compact gimbal that's perfect for vloggers using cameras like the GH7 or ZV-1. It delivers professional-grade stabilization that makes your footage look cinematic, even while you're walking or moving quickly. It's also surprisingly lightweight, which means you can carry it all day without fatigue. It's currently around $240. It's the go-to choice for vloggers who want smooth, dynamic shots without bulky gear. For stationary setups, the Vanguard Alta Pro 2 Plus offers unbeatable stability. It's tall, strong, and versatile, allowing for creative angles, overhead shots, and steady time lapses. Priced around $150 for its aluminum tripod and around $270 for its carbon fiber tripod. It's ideal for creators who primarily record at home or in controlled environments. Choosing between the two depends entirely on how you shoot. The DJI gimbal brings your footage to life with motion and flow, while the Vanguard tripod anchors your camera for precision and consistency. Many vloggers eventually own both, a gimbal for mobility and a tripod for everything else. Building a full vlogging setup doesn't have to drain your savings. A well-balanced kit in 2025 typically falls between $1,200 and $2,300, depending on the camera and accessories you choose. Cameras like the Sony ZV-1 and Panasonic GH7 make up the bulk of the cost, while microphones, tripods, and filters complete the setup. For instance, pairing a Sony ZV-1 with a Shure MV7 microphone, a pop filter, and a Vanguard tripod would put you at roughly the $1,200 mark. Opting for a Panasonic GH7 with a Sennheiser wireless mic and a DJI gimbal pushes the total closer to $2,200, but also gives you pro-level flexibility and quality. The best vlogging setup in 2025 isn't just about having expensive equipment. No, it's about choosing gear that fits your creative style and workflow. The Panasonic Lumix GH7 stands out for professional-level results, while the Sony ZV-1 shines for its portability and simplicity. In audio, the Shure MV7, Sennheiser XSW-D, and Rode NT-USB each serve different needs, from stationary studio work to dynamic on-the-go storytelling. Meanwhile, the DJI RS3 Mini and Vanguard Alta Pro 2 Plus ensure your footage remains smooth and visually engaging. Altogether, this combination gives vloggers in 2025 the perfect balance of performance, portability, and price. With a setup like this, your creativity becomes the true focus. You can concentrate on connecting with your audience by capturing authentic moments and producing videos that stand out in a world full of content. Let me know what you think. Before you go, please check out some of my other videos. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at the next one.